Wow. Back in the street. Who's knocking? Really? Hey, kids, you're gonna get in trouble. Wow. That kid's gonna get in trouble.
Who is?
His little brother's in the truck now.
Well, I'm actually going both and get in trouble because they're both in the truck.
What's he doing with a lighter?
Oh, wait!
Oh!
Oh, no!
He won't let me.
Look at me, guys.
Oh, I'll go too.
Burn up the car.
Seriously?
What is this? Okay, now you have it too high.
I know where is he.
I didn't call you. I called
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
He come and call.
There's my baby.
Basketball.
It's so beautiful.
giving birth to a watermelon. You should look up the computer nerd 301. That's one of the videos. That's funny.
What?
Something smells like cherry lollipops.
Guys, your brother in the car.
Oh, doggy.
Oh, that's cute, dog. Dude, what the heck? Your brother
He's going, hey, he's going to get in trouble, not me. Oh my God. Open the lever! With the camera on. Oh, no. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, I don't want to see that. I don't want to see the... I do not want to... Oh God. Oh, I feel less bad.
Nathaniel, I'm gonna do your favorite thing. What? Shoot the.
Well, I guess he's in trouble.
Shoot the spider web.
Hey, did he tell you to go inside the house? Oh my God.
Where is it?
Right up there.
Dude, you're gonna get in trouble too, you know.
Huh?
Stand by.
Bye.
We gotta go.
What? Why?
Bye.
Oh, that's cold.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Are you in trouble too? All right, see you later. Are you in trouble too?
See you guys tomorrow.
No, you're not?
Are
Okay.
you?
No?
You guys going?